Hi there, I'm Carrie Lawless, and I have an absolute gem of a home to show you today. Located on an acre of land in Abita Springs, this beautiful 3-bedroom, 2-bath home has a brand new roof. It has a 20 by 30 detached garage with its own half bath and a 30 by 40 workshop. It is so charming, has loads of curb appeal, and is absolutely beautiful on the inside. Let's go in and take a look. This home has such a wonderful feel as you walk through the front door. So the first thing you notice is that it's an open concept floor plan, which is so wonderful. It just has such a great flow to it. The second thing you notice are these soaring vaulted ceilings. So this room is already quite spacious, but that ceiling height really adds to the feel of the room. Now, there is plenty of furniture in here already, but there is so much room for additional seating. So for family gatherings and entertaining, it is so perfect. And then we come to this side of the room, which is the formal dining, and there is a large table here, very comfortable seating for 8. Now, let's go take a look at the kitchen. As we head into the kitchen, we are passing this wonderful bar area. I love this because it provides additional room for serving, but also additional room for bar seating if needed. Now, coming into the kitchen, the first thing here is a full-size pantry to my right. And now we are in this very functional and beautiful space. I love this white and gray color scheme. It's modern, but it's still very warm and inviting. Now we've got the 42-inch upper cabinets with the crown molding, but what I think is the crowning jewel of this kitchen is this beautiful sink. I love the color and the shape, and the faucet is absolutely charming. All right, still lots more to see. In the hallway right off of the kitchen is this additional storage closet. I love it because it's great for pantry overflow, coat closet, or just additional storage in general. Now we're in the first of the 3 bedrooms. I love this angle wall. It's such a neat architectural detail. And then there is a nice size closet that has double doors. Now, heading back through, we are entering into the shared bath. This space is light, bright, and airy. It is all neutral and has a full-size walk-in shower. Now we are heading into the second of the 3 bedrooms. This room has plenty of space, and it even has a huge walk-in closet. All right, we're gonna go take a look at that primary suite next. This is such a great space. It has a peaceful, inviting feel. It also has vaulted ceilings. There's plenty of space in here. This is a king-size bed and 2 giant nightstands, but there's also surround sound built into this room, making this the perfect retreat. All right, let's take a look at the ensuite. This space is not only beautiful, but it's very functional. We have a full-size walk-in stand-up shower here, then a huge deep soaking tub, and then the vanity has a brand new quartz countertops with the square modern undermount sinks, new faucets. It's absolutely stunning in here. And there's even a huge walk-in closet. Talk about a peaceful retreat. All right, still lots more to see. I just love this room. I love the French doors that lead into the room. They are so charming. Now this is a great bonus space. It is right off of the primary suite and has endless possibilities. It could be a home gym, it could be a home office, or it could just be used as additional living space. It even has its own entrance from the back patio and this huge closet that spans the entire length of this wall. And don't forget about those vaulted ceilings, really adds to the space. All right, lots to see outside. Right off of that fabulous bonus room is this second set of French doors that lead to this amazing covered patio. Talk about a great space to relax and unwind. Now, as we head further into the property, there is a detached 2-car garage, but it's an oversized garage. It's 20 by 30. It has its own half bath. It is generator ready and even has a plug for your RV. Then if you look just beyond that, we have a 30 by 40 workshop. They both have 220 electric. This property is literally a dream. Make your appointment today. My name is Carrie Lawless.